Blackouts package. So easy to put on. Doesn't matter which Kia package from Blackouts you install, they all go the same exact way. The key is to clean it really well. If there's just moderate blacks or anything on it, you can clean it with soap and water and alcohol water or alcohol. Then you know you've got the right piece, although on this particular model, they're the same on the front and rear. Peel off the double-sided tape on the back, grab at any corner to get it started, as you can see, and then carefully just pull that right off. We'll start in this corner here. We're going to just slightly set it in place on all three corners there. We want to come by and press it down very firmly all the way around. And of course, we wouldn't want to do this on a cold or wet day, or else you'll need to heat it up with some kind of a hair dryer or heat gun or whatever. There you go. That's the installation for the Kia. It's the same front or rear. And now we're going to move on and do the Sorento logo. So now we're going to finish up by putting our blackouts on the Sorento portion. Start at the corner and lift and just gently pull. And you can see it just a little effort, it all comes off, ready to be applied. We're going to start at one end. We're going to make sure we just put everything on real light. And then press firmly. And it's just that easy. So when you get a set of blackouts, they come in a box exactly like this. And we're going to open it up to show you what you get inside. So of course, you get instructions. So in the set, you get the Sorento badge. There's the back side of it. You'll also get front and rear, which are identical on this car. That's your complete set of blackouts. KIA Sorento 2024. We also have the Telluride, the Sportage, Niro, Kia Soul, EV6, and EV9. So yes, we have Soul, EV6, EV9, Sportage, Niro, Telluride, and Forte.